Hi everyone, this is Bizzi Art and we'll do a practice of a swivel fold here. I'll start off by folding my paper in half on a diagonal. Then I'll just use one side and fold the edge to the center crease. Here I'll use the right section and I'll fold this up to make a straight edge. Make sure you've got a nice firm pressure to make all these folds, as we'll be moving the paper around on a few different layers here. All these creases that we're making now are what helps to define and shape the swivel kind of fold and movement. From here, I'll open this up and I'll spin the paper around once more, and I'll open up this lower section on the right, and you'll see that I've made a little diamond kind of shape in the middle. That's what we want to achieve here. Then, using existing creases that we've made in this section, I'll lift this up and over, and this creates another layer over the top, which finishes off the swivel fold as such. Hi everyone, I'm Isabella. I'm the face behind the name of Bizzi Art. And I'd just like to say thank you to everyone watching and supporting this channel. I've made a lot of content, and I also manage another channel with music, and there's always something on there. It's really cool to see heaps of engagement and feedback and all kinds of things over on my other channel. So if you really liked watching this stuff here and you've been enjoying making all these things, hit the like button, and if you really love something, you can always subscribe anytime. And I've always got my link for my website down below, so be sure to check that out if you're on the lookout for origami paper. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon.